Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Kionz here. Just here to do a very short review on the latest GoPro Hero 9 underwater without the diving housing as well as without the diving red filter. And let's see how it performs under the water. Well, I think it's pretty impressive looking at the footages where the colors are really vibrant. Consider without a red filter. Normally, to get this kind of effect on the GoPro 4, I really need a housing and a red filter. But this one right here, what you just seen earlier, it's really, the yellow is really vibrant, the orange is vibrant, most of the color are pretty vibrant. Unlike previous GoPro where you don't have the red filter, everything turns really blue and all the color details is gone. And not to mention the Hyper Smooth, if you notice, the Hyper Smooth 3.0 that keeps all the footages under the water really steady. That is super impressive. Let's continue to take a look at some other footages. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that review and the footage that you see underwater, really beautiful. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share out so that more and more people can see what is the GoPro Hero 9 underwater footage look like before, if they want to buy one or you want to buy one for mainly underwater sport purposes, diving, snorkeling, right? So guys, do share this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and as well as follow me on Instagram and Facebook, as well as there's a Telegram group underneath here described on the description. Each time when I upload a new video, that I'm gonna give a notification on that Telegram group. So guys, see you on the next video and goodbye.